Fine, ma'am. You're fine, ma'am.
You're fine. That's great. That's good to know.
Ma'am, I know someone here from my school.
Oh, that's great. That's good.
Azalia.
Oh, that's great. So you have some old people also and some new people also. So you can make lots of friends. That's good to know.
Yeah, ma'am, 1 minute. My name is Purnika because I have joined from my sister's laptop. That's why let me just change my name, ma'am.
No worries. You can do that. So everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankita Singh, and yes, I will be teaching you mathematics. So I'm looking forward to know you all and to have fun with maths.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's morning, everyone. Morning. Okay, so we will start, right? Acha, before starting, I just have some expectations from you people. Okay, so let's go through your through these expectations. So, bacha, first thing, whenever you have a doubt, wait for me to explain the entire concept, right? I'm gonna explain the entire concept. Wait, then raise your hand. Okay, no unmuting yourself directly in between and interrupting. Raise your hand and then I will ask you your doubts. Okay, got it? Or if sometimes what happens is lots of doubts are coming in, no? So what we can do then is we can, you all can keep your doubts to yourself, and at the end when the class is over, then we can take up the rest of the doubts. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Second thing, everyone will keep themselves unmuted. Okay, why? Because lots of background noise can come in the class, right? If everyone is not on mute. So whenever I am asking something, then you can unmute yourself and answer. Okay, cool, got it. And no, everybody, this is my habit. I ask a thing, that doesn't mean everyone will unmute and say ma'am, this nahi, ye nahi karna. Write in chat box the answer. Please write in chat box. Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes,
great. Good. Okay, so yup, we will start and let us begin then. Let us start. Give me a moment. Okay. And please mute yourself if you are not on mute. Okay? Chalo. Okay, people, let us begin. So what are we gonna learn today? We are going to learn about number sense. Okay, and this is part 1 of the session, in which we will be seeing numbers and number names, place values and face values, numbers on abacus, and expanded form and short form. Okay, so let us start with numbers and number place. Okay, so here we have 2 friends. So let's name them something. Let me name one of them Hermione and another one is Ron. Okay, everyone knows Hermione and Ron, right?
Yes, ma'am, from Harry Potter.
Okay,
yes,
I caught you. I told you, right? You have to type in chat box.
Ma'am, I thought that was when you asked and...
No, it's totally fine. Okay, it's totally fine. It's fine. No worries. Okay, you can write in chat box. Okay, koi baat nahi. Chal. So what is happening here? This girl, she finds this big number here, and she's asking Ron, okay, do you know what this number is called? So Ron is like, for the first time in history, I know more than Hermione. Okay, so I'm gonna tell her that it is actually the smallest 5-digit number, right? Okay, so she's asking 5-digit numbers, from where do they come, right? Till now, we have only studied 4 digits number, right? We have studied numbers till 9,999. Now, from where do these 5-digit numbers come? So Ron says, no worries, I am the know-it-all. I will explain. Okay, chalo. So let's see from where 5-digit numbers come. So first of all, people, I want you people to see this. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Now, I want you people to tell me what is 9. In the chat box, can you tell me what is 9? Like, what kind of number is it? Is it the smallest 1-digit number, the largest 1-digit number? What is it? Okay, Adresh has said biggest 1-digit number. Okay, what about others, people? Type in the chat box. Nobody is typing. Why?
And I typed.
Okay, you typed. Okay, yes, now I'm getting answers. Omkara said biggest one digit number. Azila also said. Okay,
Ma'am,
that's great. That's great.
Ma'am,
So
Ma'am, it's
nine,
Azalia.
Ma'am, I
Azalia.
didn't understand.
Huh? Yes.
What were you saying? I couldn't hear it properly.
Yes. What did you not understand, Bicha?
No, I understood. I'm saying I didn't hear which question you said.
My question was ki what is 9? Like, is it the smallest one digit number or the largest one digit number? So it is what? It is the largest one digit number. Right, everyone? And when I add 1 with largest one digit number, what am I getting? What is this 10? What is this 10? Is it the smallest one or two digit number, the largest two digit number? What is it?
Ma'am,
In the chat box. In the chat box.
I know in the chat box, but in the chat box there are 2 direct messages, one to MTG and something else, and one to your name. In which one should I do?
Okay, please write to ma'am Ankita ma'am name. Okay.
Okay, everyone, please write to my name, like where my name is right there. Okay. So what is 10, bacha? 10 is, as a lot of you people are saying, look at that, look at that. Yes, it is actually the smallest two-digit number. It is what? It is the smallest two-digit number, right? So basically, when I added 1 with the largest one-digit number, I got the smallest two-digit number, right, everyone? So here, largest one digit number plus 1 is smallest two digit number. Similarly, we can see 99 plus 1 is 100. Now, what is 99, everyone? It is the
Largest 2-digit number.
It is the largest two-digit number. Again, people in the chat box, right? It is the largest two-digit number. Yes, and when I add 1 with it, I get the smallest three-digit number, which is 100, right? So can you tell me what will come in the list after this? 99 plus 1 is 100. What should I write after this in the chat box? Come on. What will I write after this? Come on, come on.
The largest digit number plus 1 equals 1000.
Who is saying that, bacha?
Vishwa.
Vishwa. Bacha, Vishwa, type in the chat box, because think of it, if you will say here and everyone will shout here, I will not understand anything, right? This is for your own good, so that everyone gets the chance to answer. So what will I write? I will write 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000. Kya baat hai? Now, what is 999, people? What is 999? It is? Yes, Omkara has answered this. Kya baat hai? Well done. It is the largest three-digit number plus 1, and from there we'll get the smallest four-digit number, right? Smallest three-digit number plus 1 is smallest four-digit number. So I think you are getting the pattern here. Similarly, if I pick the largest four-digit number, which is 9,999, and add 1 with it, I will get a 5-digit number, which is actually the smallest 5-digit number. And what do we call it? People, who is this again?
10,000.
Ma'am, I sent it in the chat box.
Anji, I'm seeing your chat. Don't worry. Sometimes what happens is I'm not able to take all your names, but I am seeing your answers in the chat box. Okay, Ansh, Rahul, Om, AUM. AUM is Om only, na? Zohair.
Ma'am, it is pronounced as well.
Okay, got it. So smallest 5-digit number. Now, how do we write? How do we pronounce it, people? So this is actually 10,000. It is what? It is 10,000, and that's your 5-digit number. Cool, got it. So we will be learning more about it. Let's start. Wait a minute. Okay, we still have students joining us. So, bacha, this is for everyone. Kindly join in on time, because if you miss some part of it, I can't explain that entire thing again. No, that would be impossible for me. Okay, so the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Got it? So what place values did we study? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and then at the 5th place, we have 10,000s place. Got it? Understood? So I think this is easy. Let's move on. So see, they are just writing the same thing here. Okay? Chalo. Now, how to name a 5-digit number? Let's see. So let's say we have a 5-digit number, 62185. Got it? So 5 is at what place, everyone? Chalo, let me take some names and you can answer. 5 is at what place? Ashish, can you tell me? Unmute yourself. 5 is at what place? Rest, all of you people can write in the chat box. Hanji, Athar.
Ma'am, 5 is in the can I tell, ma'am?
You can tell.
Ma'am, 5 is in the ones place.
Okay, got it. Everyone, okay. Arre, Omkara bacha, entire answer, don't write it in the chat box. That will ruin our game, right? Then everyone's like, okay, now the answer is revealed. Now what should we do? We'll just sit. Okay, so don't do that, na? Just write what I'm asking. Okay, Ashish bacha, you didn't answer. Why? Come on, everyone will participate. Now, Kush, can you tell me 8 is at what place? Fast.
Yes.
8 is at? Kush? 8 is at?
8 is at 2.
Arre, bacha, 8 is at tens place. I'm asking the place value, right? So 5 is at ones place. So 8 is at tens place, right or not? Okay. So the the rightmost digit is at ones place. Then this is at tens place. Right? Got it? Chalo. Now, Vidushi will tell us that the next digit 1 is at what place? Vidushi, fast. Come on.
Hundreds.
Well done. 1 is at hundreds place. Acha. Now let me see. Tapasya will tell us ki 2 is at what place? Tapasya? 2 is at? Tapasya? Hello. Okay. Tapasya bacha, where are you? Chalo. Then we have Vishwak will tell us.
Yes, ma'am.
2 is at what place, bacha? Fast.
Ma'am, you can hear me now, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, you can hear
I can hear you. 2 is at what place?
1,000th place.
1,000 place. Well done. And finally, everyone type in the chat box 6 is at what place? Fast. 6 is at what place? Everyone, fast. 6 is at 10,000 place, right? 10,000 place. Now, how do you, read this entire thing? So remember, 10,000 and 1,000 are read together. So you will read this 6 and 2 together because they are at 10,000 and thousands place. Okay? So 10,000 and 1,000 are read together. So this is 62,000. Hundreds place is read individually. So 100 and then tens and ones place are read together. So 85. So this number, everyone, is what it is. 62,185. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it. 2 people raised hand. Yes, what do you want to say?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing? Okay, so please unraise your hand then.
Ma'am?
Chalo.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay. Oh, you have a doubt. Wait a minute. So can I just finish this off and then can you ask your doubt?
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Take
Ma'am?
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, I'm Rishit. Ma'am, these 10,000 and 1,000 are divided into thousands period. And
Yes.
and
Yes.
HTOR are in hundreds period.
Yes. That's great. Take care. Chalo. So now we have this number and I'm gonna say one name and that person will tell how to read this number. Nobody else will say, okay? Only one person. Chalo, let me pick Upanshu. Chalo, Upanshu, can you read this number for all of us? I don't think Upanshu is in the class. Devang, what about you?
Yes, D.
Yes.
The
Can you read
Upanshu.
this number?
Yes, D. 54,307.
Thank you. So this is 54,307. Why? Because see, 5 and 4 are at 4 is at 1,000 place, 5 is at 10,000 place. So this is 54,000. You will read 307. So everyone knows how to read 307. Okay? Simple. Chalo, let's move on. So can you guess the largest 5-digit number? Can I get the answer in the chat box? There should not be and. There should not be an and. We do write and. It's fine if you're writing and. ठीक है, it's fine if you're writing and, ठीक है. Okay, chalo. The largest 5-digit number is what, everyone? In the chat box, I can see Upanshu, Vidushi, and a lot of you people have given answer. Atar, everyone. Yes, it is what? See, the largest 5-digit number, it's very easy to write, people. All you need to do is write 9 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how will you read it, people? How will you read it? Anyone raise your hand if you want to answer. Raise your hand first. My God, so many people raised hand. Oh my God. So I'm just gonna say, Riddhi, can you tell?
99,999.
Great job. Thank you. Thank you. Chalo. So let's move on with that. Okay. So I think this was easy. Let's move on. Okay. Now we will see 6-digit numbers. Okay. So people, can you guess what do we get if we add 1 to the largest 5-digit number? So everyone, we just saw that the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now, if I add 1 with it, what will I get? So add 1 with it, everyone. What will you get?
Ma'am, may I
A lot of
answer?
people. Bacha, raise your hand whenever you want. Na? Oh, people have raised the hands. My God. Okay, yes, you can answer. Azelia. I'm sorry, I'm mispronouncing your name. Please, bacha, forgive me. Yes.
Ma'am, the largest 5-digit number, if you plus it, it will be 1,000.
1 lakh, bacha, not 1,000. If you are adding 1 with 99,000, what will you get? You will get a number which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1 here, which is the smallest 6-digit number, and we call it 1 lakh in Indian system. So there are 2 system of numeration, Indian and international. So international you will read afterwards, but you will call it what? You will call it 1 lakh. See, ones, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Yes.
Ma'am, I know the Indian and international chart. May I say it?
Bacha, right now we are not studying it. So let's do one thing. When we are studying the international system, then I'll give you a chance. Okay? Okay. Because then
I know the difference.
I understand you know the difference, but the thing is we are not studying about that right now. Now, so other students will get confused. Okay? It's great you know. So we will discuss it when in whichever class I'll ask you. Okay? Okay, so all the people that are raising hands, can I ask why are you raising hands? Riddhi, Vidushi.
The ways.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say?
Yes.
However, I had a doubt in the 5-digit number.
What doubt do you have?
That's not a normal doubt. It's just that in the 100, you wrote as hundreds, but it is only 100. Then it should be 100, right?
Okay. So,
but you wrote as hundreds.
Sorry, you can write it as 100. But mostly what we do is we write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, if you want to write 100, it's fine. Nobody is going to cut your marks. Chalo, let's move on.
Ma'am, are we going to study 10 lakh today also?
Bacha, we will come to these topics. Don't worry. If we are going to study it, you will know. Okay? Can we move on now? Don't worry about it. Okay, chalo. Everyone, we have lots and lots to cover today. Okay? Chalo, let's move on fast. Wait. Okay, so largest 5-digit number plus 1 is the smallest 6-digit number, which is known as 1 lakh, everyone, as we just saw. Okay, chalo, let's see number names. So now let's see how to read this thing here. So see people, till 4, I think everyone knows how to read. Okay, 4 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 9 is at 100's place, 5 is at thousands, 4 is at 10,000, and 8 is at lakhs place. So you will read the lakh, you will read the thousands together, and you will read the hundreds together, and 1s and 10s digit together. Okay, chalo. So let me see who raised the hand. Vidushi, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you raise the hand?
I had raised the hand. I mean, I didn't have any doubt. I just wanted to answer.
Okay, ask your doubt.
I don't have any doubt.
Okay, so you raised the hand, na? That's why I was asking. Okay, chalo, who wants to? Okay, let me select here. Okay. Let's see here. Om, can you tell, how will you read this number?
Ma'am, it is 8,45,924.
Yes. So 8. Mute yourself if you're not, not answering. Mute yourself, everyone. So this is 8,45,924. Okay, got it, everyone. Similarly, let's read this number, everyone. Chalo, can you write in the chat box? How will you read it? Everyone, write in the chat box. Come on. Write in the chat box. Omkara, can you please read this for us? Read the number for us fast.
Yes, ma'am.
1,08,407.
Kya baat hai? Well done. So 1 is at lakhs place. Now at 10,000 place, you don't have anything. You have 0, right? So you will not read it. So 1 lakh, and then directly you'll move to 1,000, which is 8,000, then 407. Okay, at 10,000 place you don't have anything, so I'll not read it. So this is 1,08,407, everyone. Okay, what's the largest 6-digit number, everyone? It will be everyone together. Chalo, let's make some noise for once.
9,99,999.
9,09,999.
Okay, got it. We made the noise. Everyone mute yourself. Chalo, let's move on. It is 9,99,999. Chalo, practice questions, people. You have to, everyone will answer in the chat box. Nobody will answer here, okay? Nobody will say anything. You have to identify the number which has 4 tens, 6 thousands, 8 ones, 3 lakhs, and 9 hundreds. Please answer in the chat box, people. Come on. Chalo, fast. You have your option A, B, C, D. What's the answer? The answer. Wait a minute. Why is it written B, B, C, D? Ash, first one's A, people. I'm so sorry. The first one's A. The first option is A. What's the correct answer? Some people are giving correct. Who is this? Adrish, can you just type once? Let's not type more than once now. Let's not spam. Okay, I'm getting lots of different answers. Why is that? People, come on. What is the biggest place value here? Everyone, what's the biggest place value here? The biggest place value here is 1,000, right? So we have 9. The biggest place value is lakhs. So we will write 3 lakhs. Now after lakh, we have 10,000. But we don't have anything at 10,000. See, there is no digit that is at 10,000 place. There is no digit at 10,000 place. That means 0 is at 10,000 place. Because when there's nothing at 10,000 any place, then that means 0 is there. Now next we have 1,000 place, so it's written 6 is at thousands place.
Yes. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am got disconnected or she got hung.
Yes, she has had.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Am I audible and visible, people?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now you are.
Correct. Okay, cool. Okay. Chalo, so we were discussing 6 is at thousands place. Then we have what? Then we have next hundreds place. So 9 is at hundreds place, right? And then we have tens place. So 4 is at tens place, and finally 8 is at ones place. So the number is what, Devishi? What's the number?
Yes, ma'am. The number is 3,06,948.
3,06,948. So everyone that said option number C, pat yourself on the back, guys. Really proud of all of you people. Well done. Good job. Okay. So understood the answer. Let's move on. Now I want answers really fast. Okay. Chalo. So next, what is this? Okay, I have to wait a minute. Wait a minute, people. Give me a moment. I will clear what I have written here. Yeah. Okay, chalo. So people, let's do this here. This is important, okay? So remember, 10,000 is equals to 100 hundreds. How? Let's understand this. How 10,000 is 100 hundreds. Okay? So please pay attention. This is not hard. See. 10,000 is what? 10,000 is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is 10,000, right? And it is equals to 100 hundreds. That means it is equals to 100 into hundreds. What's the place value of hundreds? It's 100. Got it? So 10 10,000 is equals to 100 into 100's place value. So 100 into 100, which is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros it will have. Right? Understood? So if I ask you people, what is 100,000 equals to? If I ask you what is 100,000 equals to, can you tell me in the chat box? In hundreds, how much it is equals to? In hundreds, how much it is equals to? 1 lakh. Okay, sorry, you haven't studied about 100,000. My fault, people. I will take something else. My fault. Chalo, I will take something else. You haven't studied about 100,000. Na, my fault. Let's say I have, 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds is equals to how many tens? How will you figure it out? Chalo. So how will you figure it out? First, figure out 10 hundreds. What is 10 hundreds? 10 hundreds means 10 into 100, which is equals to 1000. Okay, understood? Now, let's ask ourselves, what will I multiply with 10 so that I get 1,000? So what will I multiply? I will multiply 100. If I multiply 100 with 10, I will get 1,000. Right? So 10 hundreds is equals to how many tens? It is equals to 100 tens. Got it? See, how are we doing this? We just multiply this number with this place value. That's it. So we get a number. Here also do the same thing. This is tens. So 10, and ask yourself, what will you multiply with 10 so that you get 1,000? So the answer is 100. So 100 into 10 is 1,000. Okay, got it? It's a little bit confusing, but once you do a lot of questions, you will understand. Okay, got it? Similarly, 10,000 is equals to 1,000's 10. Again, let's understand how, everyone. Chalo, all the people that didn't understand, please hold on your doubts. Let's see. 10,000 means this. Okay, now 1,000 tens means 1,000 into 10. And what is 1,000 into 10, everyone in the chat box? What is 1,000 into 10? First, oh, Adrish, you're finding it easy. Good to know. Oh, Kush, you had answered previously. That's great. What is 1,000 into 10, people? 1,000 into 10, everyone. You all know multiplication, right? You're all big kids. Yes, it is 10,000. Right? It is 10,000. Good job. Look at that. Look at you people answering. Well done. Well done. Good job. Good job. So it is 10,000. So see, 10,000 is equals to 1,000 tens. Okay? Similarly, you can say what? You can say that 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. How, people? Again, what is 1 lakh? 1 lakh is equals to here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 1 lakh. Okay? Now this is equals to 100,000. How? Multiply 100 with 1,000. So what will you get? Everyone, you will get 1 followed by 5 zeros, which is actually equals to what? 1 lakh. Okay? Got it? So what we will do is we will do some questions and see if we are understanding these things or not. So get ready for some. Acha, similarly, 1 lakh is 1,000 hundreds. You can do it. 1,000 into 100 will be 1 lakh. You can multiply and see. Okay? Chalo. So here I have some questions for you. Everyone will answer in the chat box. Let's start with the very first question. 100 tens is equals to what? Here we have 4 options. 100 tens is equals to what? So multiply 100 with tens and see what you are getting. Come on, people. A, B, C. Adrish has answered C. Ans has answered C. What about others? And don't think everyone's answering C, so C ही answer होगा. Do your own calculation and tell. Okay, Omkara is saying D. And one Vedant also is saying D. Kush, 110 बच्चा 110 तो option ही नहीं है. That's the question. Gargi is saying D. Om is saying D. Upanchu is saying D. Zohair is saying D. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of D's here. Let's check, people. 100 tens, people. 100 tens. So what will you do? Ansh, can you answer what you will do? How to solve this? Can you answer?
Miss, I will multiply. Miss, I'll multiply 100 by 10 with 10.
Yes. So 100 into 10 is what? It is equals to 1 followed by 3 zeros. And how do you read this number?
1,000.
How do you read this number?
1,000.
1,000. So the answer, everyone, is 1,000, right? So everyone that said 1,000, pat yourself on the back. Good job.
Excuse me, Miss. At first I did see, but I read it. I made a mistake, so I changed it.
Paul.
Yeah.
I didn't understand. Okay, you didn't understand. See, all you need to do, bacha, is 100 tens is asked from you. Okay, everyone. I'm explaining this for the last time, so please listen. It's been asked what is 100 tens equals to, right? So what you will do is you will multiply both of these. So 100 into what is tens? This. Now what do you get? You get 1 followed by 3 zeros. How do you read it? Ones, tens, 100,000. So this is 1,000.
Yes. And also that you said that 100 is equal to 1,000.
10 hundreds. So let's see what is 10 hundreds. So 10
1,000.
into 100. 10 hundreds is 10 into 100. 10 into 100. You multiply. So what do you get? You will get 1,000. So
Yes.
1,000. Bas, ho gaya.
So how is 100 tens equals to 1,000?
Bacha, I just showed you. 100 tens means 100 into 10, that is 1,000. Similarly, 100 is 10 into 100, 1,000. You just multiply. And two things can give you same answers. Okay, it shouldn't be 100 tens 1,000 hai, so 100 can never be 1,000. No, it can be. Who is saying that there's only one answer? Okay, chalo, let's move on, people. We have lots to cover. Okay, next question. Again, you have to answer in the chat box only. Mr. Sharma invited this many guests in his daughter's marriage. So you have to read the number of guests. How will you read the number of guests? So please answer in the chat box, people. How will you write it or read it? Reading and writing, same thing. How will you read it or write it? Come on. Till then, let me pick somebody up to answer. Okay, who all want to answer? Can you raise your hand? Okay, lots of hands are raised. Let's see. Okay. Gargi, can you answer, bacha? Gargi, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, no. Please wait for your turn or answer in the chat box, right? Do not steal somebody else's thunder. Chalo, yes, Gargi.
Answer is 2,76,015.
Thank you. So, bacha, how will you read this? Everyone, let's see all the people that answered this in the chat box. Well done, good job. So this 5 is at 1's place, 1 is at 10's place, 0 is at 100's place, 6 is at 1,000's place, 7 is at 10,000 place, and 2 is at lakhs place, right? So 2,76,015, because there is no 100, so you will not read the 100. Got it? 2,76,015. So what's the answer, everyone? The answer is option number B. Good job. Well done. Right? Chalo. Now, everyone knows what an abacus is. What's an abacus? It's a calculator of ancient times.
It's a calculation tool.
It's a calculation tool, right? You use it to calculate. Okay? Or count. Calculation or counting. Chalo. So what we have to do is, in this abacus here, there is a number that is being represented. So we will figure out that number. Okay? So let's do this quickly. This is very easy. So people, let's start here. Okay? So you can see that at 1's place, how many beads are there? Ansh, can you answer? In 1's place, how many beads are there?
Miss, at 1's place, there are 7 beads.
7 beads. So that means at 1's place you have 7. Got it? Chalo. Similarly, can wait a minute. Can Kush, can you answer ki how many beads are at 10's place?
At 10's place, there are 0 beads.
There are 0 beads. Good job. Good job. Well done. Similarly, Ashish, can you answer how many beads are there at 100's place? Ashish, hello. No answer. Chalo. Zohair, can you answer how many beads are at 100's place?
Miss, there are 4 beads.
Good job. Well done. Well done. Okay. Next we have how many beads are there at 1,000's place, Vishwak? Huh?
4 beads.
4 beads. Good job. Good job. Okay, well done. And Riddhi, how many beads are at 10,000's place? Riddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
how many beads are at 10,000?
There are 4 beads.
4 beads. And at lakh place, what? How many beads are there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Devang,
Ma'am,
can you answer?
Ma'am, there is a mistake on the thousands
1,000.
place.
Okay. Sorry. I wrote it wrong. My fault. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. And at lakhs place, we have 0 beads. Now, Devang, I want you to tell me what the number is. Fast. Read the number for us. Fast.
48,407.
Kya baat hai? Well done. 48,407. That's the answer, everyone. Good job. Right? Okay, so I think this was very, very easy. You just had to count the beads and you will get all the digits, right? So similarly here, one other number is represented. So can somebody, wait, I will tell who will read this. Let me see. Okay, we have Om, can you read this number? The second number, Om.
7,64,912.
Yes, 7 is at lakhs place. Then we have 6 at 10,000 place, 4 at thousands place. So 7,64,912. So I think this is easy. Let's move on. Okay, now we'll talk about place value and face value. Very easy, people, very easy. So the face value of any digit is the same digit. The place value of any, the face value of any digit is the same digit, while the place value of a digit is the position that it is occupying. So don't worry, we will see using an example. Okay? Chalo. So let's say that the number is 69,015. Now let's say that I'm asking the place value and the face value of 6. What I'm asking the place value of 6 and I'm asking the face value of 6. Face value of 6, right? So place value of 6 will be what position it is occupying. That means what place it is at. So can you answer in the chat box? Can you answer in the chat box? At what place 6 is? At what place 6 is? 6 is at thousands place, right? 10,000 place, not 1,000, my fault. 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, some people said lakh and 1,000. You are wrong, but just 6 is at 10,000 place. So the place value of 6 is, 6 multiplied with 10,000. So that would be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is the place value of 6. 60,000 is the place value of 6. Got it? 6 is at what place? 10,000. So multiply 6 with 10,000. The place value of 6 is 60,000. But the face value of 6 will be the same digit. Place value of any digit is the same. Got it? So can I get the answer? What is the place value of 9? Chalo, in the chat box. Place value of 9. Fast. And then the face value of 9. First place value, then face value. The place, thousands, but don't just write 1,000. Multiply the digit also with it. For the place value, multiply the digit also with it. The place value of 9 is 9,000, right? It is at thousands place, so 9,000. And the face value of 9 will be 9 only, right? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Remember, got it? So here they have shown the place values of all the numbers. Okay, and face value also. Chalo. So let's do some questions here. Wait a minute. Okay, let's do this. So we have the number 4,18,273. So what they have done is they have written the place and the digit. 4 is at lakhs place, 1 is at 10,000, 8 is at 1,000, 2 is at hundreds, 7 is at tens, 3 is at ones. You already know that. And the face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 8 is 8, and so on. Okay, understood?
Say something.
Hanji.
Face value is like when we look at our face in any mirror, it won't change. But in place value in school will be a student, but in house will be a son or daughter.
Ah, that's so sweet. Thank you. That's a great explanation. Okay, chalo. So with that, let's talk about the place value and face value of 0. So bacha, think of it. The place value of 0 will also be 0 because 0 multiplied with any place will be 0 only, and the face value of 0 will be 0 only. Right or not? So place value and face value of 0 will always be 0. Similarly, if you have a digit at ones place, let me write this number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I ask you what is the place value of 6, can you tell me the place value of 6 in the chat box? Kush, can you tell us this by unmuting yourself? Kush, place value of 6. First. Hanji, I can't hear you, bacha.
1.
1. No, place value of 6 is 6 into 1, bacha. You will multiply the digit with the place. Got it? So you will say place value of 6 is, yes, you will say that 6 is at ones place, but when you will write, you will say that place value of 6 is 6. And the face value of 6, Kush?
6,000.
Huh? Face value of 6, bacha. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, Kush. Chalo, pay attention. Koi baat nahi. Dekho, Kush. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, and the place value of a digit is the digit multiplied with its place value. Theek hai, everyone that answered correctly, well done. So what did we learn? We saw that, wait a minute, just let me clear this. What did we see? We see that for any digit at ones place, the place value and face value are same. ठीक है, अब बोलो. Yes. Somebody was saying something?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Hanji.
Ma'am.
Fast.
Ma'am, suppose the 0 is in 10,000. So how will we say?
So 0 is at 10,000. So what will be the place value of 0? The place value of 0 will be 0 into 10,000. And what is 0 into 10,000, bacha?
0.
0. So the place value of 0 is what?
0.
0. Did you understand? You'll
No.
multiply the digit with its place, with the position it is occupying. So that will be place value. And the face value will be digit itself. Okay? Chalo. What is the place value of 6 in the number represented on abacus? So there is this number represented on abacus. First, write down the number in the chat box. What number is represented in the abacus? First. What number is represented in the abacus? Everyone is answering the entire question, but I am asking something else. I'm asking what number is represented in the abacus, everyone. The number is, number pucha hai bacha, number first of all. Yes, Omkara has answered the first, then Adrish has answered, Tapasya has answered. So what's the number, people? The number is, see here there are 6 beats. Here there are 3 beats. Here there are 7 beats. Here there are 4 beats, and here there are 2 beats. So the number is 63,742. Now in this number here, what's the place value of 6? So the place value of 6 will be 6 multiplied with its position. What is its position? Its position is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So its position is 10,000. So 6 multiplied with its position, which is 10,000. So the place value is 60,000. What's the place value? The place value is option number B, 60,000. Got it? Great job. Everyone in the chat box that said 60,000. Well done, guys. Good job. Right? Chalo. Workbook question first. In the number, which is written here, which of the following digit has the same place value and face value? So the number is 27,895. And the question is, which digit has the same place value and face value? So this is something we have discussed. I want everyone to please answer fast. The answer is, kya baat hai? Well done, well done. Good job, good job. Upanshu, can you tell the answer by unmuting yourself?
D5.
Oh, thank you. So remember, we talked about this, the digit at ones place, right? The digit at ones place will have the same place value, which will be 5, and it will have the same face value, which will be 5, right? So the digit at the ones place will have the same place value and face value. So the answer here is 5. The digit 5, which is at ones place, has the same place value and face value. ठीक है, option number C is correct. Everyone that said that in the chat box, pat yourself. I should hear the sound of patting. Chalo, next thing. Now we are going to see how to write expanded form and short form. This is one easy thing. So expanded form of a number is basically you expressing the number as sum of the place values of its digit. What do we mean by that? Let's see an example. Okay, so dekho, the number is this 47,286. Now, if you want to write its expanded form, what will you do? Everyone, please pay attention. So first of all, write the place value of all the digits. 6 is at 1's place. 8 is at 10's place. 2 is at 100's place. 7 is at 1000's place. And 4 is at 10,000's place. What will you do next is, you will start with the digit on the leftmost side. So you'll start with the digit 4 and you will multiply it with its place value. So what's the place value of 4, Gargi? What's the place value of 4?
10,000.
So you multiply 4 with 10,000. Okay? Then you will put addition sign here and take the next digit, which is 7, right? So now you will multiply 7 with its place value. And what's the place value of 7, Tapasya? The place value of 7 is?
Place value of 7 is thousands.
1000. So you'll multiply 7 with 1000, right? Then you will put addition sign and take the next digit and multiply it with its place value. So Vedant, can you tell me which next digit should I take? Next digit, which should I take?
Ma'am, 2.
And what will you multiply it with?
2 into 100.
Good job. Now, let's see here. Who to pick? Zohair, can you tell me what next digit should I take?
Yes, miss.
Huh.
8 multiplied by 10.
Good job. And finally, let's see here. Rishit, can you tell me what last digit should I take? Rishit?
Ma'am, 6.
Good job. And you will multiply 6 with?
6 with 1.
Good job. So what you will do is you will take the digit, multiply it with its place value. Then addition sign, then take another digit, the next digit, multiply it with its place value. Then plus, then take the digit and multiply it with its place value. And ta-da, you have the expanded form of this number, everyone. Got it? Understood? So let's see here how they are. See, first of all, they have written the place values of all the digits. And then what they have done is, they have just taken the digit and multiplied it with their place value. So here they have done the multiplication and written. For example, we wrote it like this, 4 into 10,000. So here they have directly written 4 into 10,000 as 40,000. So that is also correct. 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 6 into 1. That is also correct. And this is also correct. Like multiply and write the answer. Okay? Both of them are correct. And
Ma'am, the ones place is also known as the unit place.
Ones place is also known as units place. Chalo, so let's write the expanded form of this one. Chalo, let's quickly do this, everyone. Okay, so wait a minute, let me see. Can Vishwa, can you tell me what is what is the place value of 5? What will I multiply 5 with?
5 times 10,000.
Okay, 5 will multiply with 10,000. Azalea, I'm mispronouncing your name again and again. Can you tell me what will be the next digit and what will it multiply get multiplied it with?
The next digit is 6 and it will be multiplied by 1,000.
Yes. Okay, I revealed the answer, people. What to do? I revealed the answer. Chalo, koi baat nahi. 5 will be multiplied with 10,000 plus 6 will be multiplied with 1,000 plus 8 will be multiplied with 100. 0 here will be multiplied with 10. So 0 into 10 is 0. So you don't need to write it. And plus 9 into 1. So here what they have done is they have multiplied and gave the answer. 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 9. Okay? So I don't think this is very hard. Right? So next we have this number here. So let me do it for you all the people that didn't understand. I will do this myself. See, I will take this 1 and 1 is at what place, everyone? You can answer in the chat box. What is ones is at ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh place. So 1 will be multiplied with lakh. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay? Then plus, then Omkar, can you tell me 3 will be multiplied with what?
Ma'am, 3 will be multiplied with 10,000.
Good job. 3 is at 10,000 place, so it will be multiplied with 10,000. Plus 4 into 4 will be multiplied with 100 because it is at 100th place. Plus 7 will be multiplied with 10 because it is at 10th place. Plus 6 into 1 because 6 is at 1's place. So now how can you write this? You can do the multiplication and write it like this.
You forgot
Ma'am,
the.
you did the 8th one.
Yes, ma'am, you didn't do that.
Sorry. 8 into 1,000. Okay, that's sorry. Yes. So here we have, how will we write it? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Yeah. Then here 3 followed by 4 zeros. Then here 8 followed by 3 zeros. Then 4 followed by 2 0. Then 7 followed by a 0 and finally 6. So both of them are correct. Both the expanded form are correct, bacha. Okay, got it, understood. Chalo. So here, wait a minute. Yep, so they have written the expanded form. Acha, can you people tell me in the chat box, this is the expanded form, then what is the number? In the chat box, chalo, everyone. What's the number? Who is this? Upanshu bacha, acha, you were answering in the chat box. Okay, it's fine. Chalo. No worries. Chalo, can you tell me in the chat box what number is this? Okay, Adrish has answered, first. Everyone else, Omkara has also answered. Different answers I'm getting. Vedant has answered. Ansh has answered. People, different answers I'm getting. Why? Why? Okay. I'm getting lots of different answers, but some of you people are actually giving the correct answer. Well done. Good job. So all the people, let's check your answers. So for this, I will tell you how you can do it easily. Write 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1,000's place, 10,000's place, lakh place, right? 1's, 10's, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh, right? Now start. 1 is at 1's place. We have 60, that means 6 is at 10's place. Now we have 7,000. That means there is no 100 place. That means at 100 place, we must have 0. Now 7 is at 1,000's place because we have 7,000, right? Acha, next, what do we have? We have 1's, 10's, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh. We have 5 lakh. That means 5 is at lakh's place. That means at 10,000 place, we don't have anything to write 0. So what's the number? The number is 5,07,061. So all the people that said 507061, love you all. Well done. Great job. Keep doing that. Okay, understood. So make all these place values 1's, 10's, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, and then arrange the digits there. When you don't see any digit in a place value, write 0 there and your answer will always be correct. Okay, got it. So that's how you do it. Okay, chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
So with that, practice question, people. Let's start. Which of the following is correct? So the expanded form of numbers are given, but only, one of them is correct. So you have to tell which one is it, but answer in the chat box, obviously. Come on, answer in the chat box. Be fast. Okay, let's see here. Upanshu has answered.
Question.
Huh? What?
I didn't understand the question.
But in the question, what is happening is there are 4 options. In all the 4 options, there are numbers given and then expanded form of the numbers are given. But only in one option, the expanded form of the number is right. Okay. So what you will do is write down every number that is given and write down their expanded form and then check whose expanded form is given correctly.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm getting lots of answer here. Okay, look at that. So many people have answered already. Come on, everyone. Kya baat hai? You can find out the errors very easily in some of them, people. Okay, let me pick somebody to tell the answer. Who should I pick? Okay. There are 2 Gargis, G-A-R-G-E-E, Gargi, G-A-R-G-E-E. Bacha, can you tell me the answer for this one?
Okay, ma'am. The answer is B.
You are saying the answer is B. ठीक है, चलो. तो everyone, let me tell you the answer. ठीक है, चलो. Let's see everyone. So first, let's check 4,217. So the expanded form is 4,000 plus 100. Is this right? This 100, is it right? Shouldn't it be 200? There is 2 here. So basically it should be 2 into 100, which is 200. Right? But here it is written 100. So this is wrong. Option A is wrong. Chalo, let's move on. Now B, 26,814. So ठीक 2 should technically be multiplied with 10,000, right? Because it is at 10,000s place. But either 2,000 is written. Technically 2 should be multiplied with 10,000. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. But here it is written 2,000, which is wrong. It should be 2 followed by 4 zeros, 20,000. So this is wrong, Gargi, right? Okay, chalo. Next we have this.
I didn't know. I didn't calculate it neatly.
No worries, no worries. Next we have this. So we have 8 multiplied with 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. 8 multiplied with 10,000. So yes, 8 is multiplied with 10,000. So 8,000. 9 should be multiplied with 1,000. 9,000. 1 should be multiplied with 100. Yes. 9 should be multiplied with 10. But either to 80 is written. Why is 80 written? 9 into 10 is 90, not 80. Right? Here we should have 90, everyone. So this is also wrong. So the final option will only be correct. 4 multiplied with 10,000, so 40,000, plus 1 multiplied with 1,000, 1,000, plus 6 multiplied with 100, 600, plus 5 multiplied with 10, 50, plus 3. Yes, who has confusion here? Tell me, ask me. Who has confusion here? Nobody? So option number D is the correct answer. Cool. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, people. Let me just clear this up. Okay, yes. So you have to tell what is the expanded form of the number that is given to you. Can you answer in the chat box, everyone? Please answer in the chat box. Be fast. I want the answer really fast, people. Okay, Adrish, B, some people D. Why? D or B?
B.
Ah, no answering here. Okay, Kush is saying A. So Kush, you are going different than everybody else. But who knows? You can also be correct. So everyone, let's do this, right? Let's do this. Chalo. So the number is what? The number is 84926, where 6 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 9 is at 100's place, 4 is at 1000's place, and 8 is at 10,000's place. So we will multiply 8 with what, Megha? We'll multiply 8 with Megha?
Miss, we will multiply 8 with 10,000.
10,000 will multiply it with. So 8 into 10,000 plus we'll multiply 4 with what, everyone? Devang? 4 with what? 4 into? Hello, Devang?
80,004.
4 will be multiplied with 1,000. Na? The place value of 4 is 1,000. So 4 will be multiplied with 1,000. Then 9 will be multiplied with 100 because its place value is 100. 2 will be multiplied with 10s. And finally, 6 will be multiplied with 1s. So we have 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. So what's the correct answer, everyone? What's the correct answer?
B.
The correct answer is option number B, right? Because in all the other options, it's written 8,000, but it should be 80,000 in the beginning. Okay? Chalo. So with that, we are done for today, people, finally. So 1 minute before the time, we have completed it all. Thanks to all of you people. So did you find today's session easy?
Ma'am, yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. We'll do the whole
Fantastic.
session.
Everyone, raise your hand. If you want to say something, raise your hand, because if everyone will say at the same time, how will
Okay, okay, Ankita ma'am, thank you for the wonderful session today. So I just would like to just give some brief about how the online classes will go actually to the students. So this is their first session. Yeah, this is their first session. So as I would have, I mean, I hope all of the students would have applied the activation code that they can use for the portal. So on the portal, they will find everything like the recorded sessions and the assignments and the test. So everything will be there. And the first today's assignment of 5 questions will be there in the portal. So after the class, you can attempt it. It will be there for a long time. So you can attempt it at as per your convenient time. And tomorrow we will have the class at the same time. So please be ready and revise your concepts and do a lot of practice questions also. Okay. So this is from my side, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Chalo फिर everyone, that's it for today. Let us meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Bye bye.
ma'am.
Take
Bye,
care of
ma'am.
yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.